How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another episode D Squared Fishing. I'm David. Once again, we're here at Hall River here in North Carolina. I'm here for redemption. Yes, that's right. I was here a couple weeks ago, caught one little squeaker, one little fish. So today, got my waders on, ready to walk in the water, because last time I was here, I pretty much stayed on the banks and hopped on the rocks. I didn't really want to get wet. So, got my waders on, gonna wade this water. Hopefully, we'll catch some nice ones. I know last time I was here, Hank caught a bass. So hopefully, we'll be on some bass today. So, let's go ahead and rig up, get to our spot, start wading through the water, and hopefully we catch us some nice ones. Thanks for watching D Squared Fishing. If you haven't already, please hit that like, hit that subscribe, and stay tuned for many more videos. All right, let's get rigged up. All right, y'all, we are here. Now, notice anything different? I do. The water way higher than it was last time. So, I don't know. I don't know how dangerous. I don't know about wading in this now. Oh, Hank's on the board already. Got him a little brim. So, well, that seems pretty good, but just I was hoping to wade like on that side, because when I was here last time, the fishing activity, like all the hits and stuff that I seen, like fish jumping out of the water, was over there on that bank. Huh? Oh, Hank already got one. He got two now. So that's good. But yeah, I'm just starting out. Y'all can know. If y'all have been watching my channel, you know what I start out with when I come to rivers and creeks and streams and stuff. Good old rooster tail. And I got one. Looked at Hank and I got one already. What do we got, Hank? We got some bass. Yeah. All right. Starting off a whole lot better than last time we did here. Got us a bass that quick. Okay, so the rushing water brought us some bass here through here. So that is very good. All right, calm down, little buddy. I'll get you out here. So, got us a bass. And I'm, like I said, using just a 1/8 rooster tail. So that is already redemption for me coming here. Because the last time I came here, check out my previous video, I only caught essentially one little brim. So that's pretty good. Pretty good off the start. If I can get this little guy out, we're good to go. Let him go. There you go. All right. Nice little bass. Now it's a little squeaker. All right. So we're good to go. Let's go ahead and let him out. All right. See you later. There you go. All right. That's good. All right, y'all. Like I was saying, so maybe this will be a good day. I already caught one. Hank already caught 3. So this is gonna be pretty nice. So basically using rooster tail, 1/8, all white with the silver blade, and we already caught that bass, so I am already in a good mood. Hey, always good to come out. It's a nice day. Bass fish. Got another one already. What we got? We got a little squeaky McGwee, little brim here. Little sunfish. So we're good. Today is going to be a good day. Nice little bluegill. Let them go. Check them out. Boom. All right. On a good roll. On a good roll. Woo! Woo! All right, y'all. I got one. Is it the one you just caught?
I don't know. It looks like it. It'd be funny if it was.
All right, y'all. This seems like it's gonna be a pretty good day. bluegill? Good. I think the bass are gonna be on the shoreline. Nice. That's a nice one. Oh, Hank got a mondo. Hank got a mondo. Hank got a mondo. That is a nice bass, dude. Look at that. Ooh.
Oh, can't get him.
Nice. That's like a
Woo!
2-pounder right there. That's that's why we go fishing, y'all. Check that out.
I wasn't even expecting to catch this. I think you're wrong about the bass being on the shoreline.
Yeah, well, there goes that theory.
That's great.
That was a nice one. I seen how big that thing was through the water.
Well, when it hit, it was just like blue.
Got one. Got one. Got one. Come on, y'all. See what it is. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. Oh, that's a nice sized brim.
It is. I'm just gonna stay right here for a little bit.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Don't want that water in my mouth. It got my eye. It's stinging.
Really?
That water's stinging my eyes. Sting my eyes, Hank.
Watch your step.
Oh. You said watch your style, look down, and that was the one that was around this rock.
Probably. Oh, they were good there.
Today's supposed to be some good storms, so it's always good. Check the weather patterns. Fish tend to, eat, fatten up whenever there's a storm front coming through.
I'm already in. Oh.
Pretty deep. See them fish jumping? There's minnow jumping right here. There goes your bottle. Got one. Man, that's a nice bluegill. Nice little bluegill. Look at that blue coloration on that. Yeah, I can already call why. White's gonna be a hot color. I just seen fish just jump all right here. Little minnows. So that's why I think it's always trying to match the harvest. The I guess you can say what. Ooh, thought I had another one. If it's shad spawning or silver or some bluegill, trying to match what the bass and other fish are eating. All right, got one, y'all. Got one. It's a little brim. A little bluegill. Little squeak. Oh, that's right underneath that log. I don't know if you guys seen that. Got one. Got a nice one, I think. It's fighting pretty good. I don't know if it's just in the rapids. It's a nice one, y'all. Oh, it's a nice one. Nice bass. Got us a bass. Oh yeah. There we go, y'all. This is what we come here for. These bass got red eyes. Yeah. Probably toxic water. All right, y'all. Nice little bass. Look at that. Anyway, let him go. Right where he's supposed to be. You see where, I know you guys couldn't see, but he was literally right underneath that log where he was supposed to be. Big one? Get him. Get him, Hank. You giving it a dangle? You're out there, you. Woo! You got him? Nice. You gave it a dangle. Got a brim. My name is Brimmaster. Bluegill Master. Yeah. Go ahead and leave me a comment if I should join the next American Idol. Woo! Mr. Bluegill, give me a dream of little fishies that I can catch. There we go, Mr. Bluegill. Mr. Bluegill, give me fishy dreams. I have no professional training. Got one. Whoa! These bluegill are nice.
They are.
Got some nice coloration to them. Bluegill master. Oh man, that just might be. And I got a fish. Stuck in a tree, got a tree fish. And there you go.
No. Release it. Let it go back down and then.
Quick release.
Oh no. Now jerk.
Yeah. I'm making them all jump now doing that. There you go, y'all. Conclusion of Hall River fishing. What is going on, y'all? I hope y'all enjoyed that redemption video. Yes, Hall River redemption. Went back, caught me so many bluegills. I didn't put them all in the video. There was just that many bluegills. And hey, at least I caught 2 bass. Pretty nice. And then Hank, he caught him about 5 bass, especially that one big Mondo one. That was a pretty big one. I don't know, that was like 2 to 3 pounds on that one. So that was a pretty good catch on that one. But hey, hope y'all liked this video. Please give me a like, subscribe, turn on those notifications. Plenty more fishing to come. Hey, I think I'm gonna go back there. How does fly fishing sound? think I'm gonna fly fish. Never been fly fishing before, but that is plenty of room for me to get that whipping action going. So definitely gonna try fly fishing there. But anyway, thanks for watching D Square Fishing. Hope y'all have a good one, and I'll catch y'all later.